and has completely transformed my career as well. I'm Rati. I did a PG diploma course in graphic designing from And Academy, and I recently finished my course in the month of May and then got placed at Max Estate, all thanks to And. And has completely transformed my career as well. So from being in a mundane, boring engineering job to becoming something that I really love, I really enjoy. When I started learning at And in the month of July last year, it was completely new and different thing for me, but I would say one thing that stayed throughout the course was the fun. My love for designing and making creative things, that was throughout, and it was really constant throughout the course. I really enjoyed being at And. There were so many classes, very interactive classes, and then again the workshops. I still miss those workshops, especially on photography by Anurag sir. I was hoping I could meet him here. And there was then multiple workshops by Shiva sir, Nishita ma'am as well on, she recently wrote a book as well. Even all the mentors and everyone really inspired me a lot for, taking up the course and doing something that I really enjoy. So since I got placed recently and I'll be joining soon at the new company, I'm really excited for it. And thank you so much. I would say like a huge thanks to Sachin sir because he was, even the course ended, I was like little in touch with the mentors, but throughout Sachin sir really helped in getting the placement and helping in all the kind of support. Whenever I was down, like when I was not getting selected in any company, giving my best, and there was something maybe lagging from my end or the requirement might have changed, but Sachin sir really helped me and pushed me in every way that you will get at a really good place. Just keep working hard and build your portfolio, make your connections. So I really enjoyed the whole journey, and thank you so much Sachin sir for finally getting me placed. And yeah, everything was amazing. Thank you.